The income disclosure. All right, you guys, we need to really understand financially, what are you looking to get out of this? We talk about in this business quite a lot the why, but we not only want to understand the concrete of why you're doing what you're doing, why you're getting up, why you continue to do what you're doing, the goals that you're going for, but we want to understand the financial side as well. There's part-time money people can make, there's supplemental income, there's full-time money, and honestly, there's life-changing money that some people will make doing this. And when we got involved with this, I didn't understand the potential of what we had our hands on. You literally have the ability to generate a multi-million-dollar business within LifeVantage. So down below on this page, you're going to see the link to the income disclosure summary. So I want you to either open that up or print it off, but really start to ask yourself, what am I looking to get? Not only in the short term, but also in the long term, in 3 to 5 years or 5 to 10 years, where would you want to be? For those of you that are looking at the ranks of like Pro 1, Pro 2, Pro 3, to me that's the part-time money. An extra couple $100s a month. For some people, that's going to be, making sure that there's still money at the end of the month, maybe a little bit extra towards a car payment or rent. But I know this, with my prior experience in the corporate world, about 80% of the United States bankruptcies could be avoided with an extra couple $100s a month. So I tell people all the time, if that isn't you, you do have friends or family going to bed tonight praying for something to change financially in their life, and an extra couple $100s would go a long ways. And then you look at the ranks like Pro 4, Pro 5, $1,200, $2,500 a month in residual income. To me, that's that supplemental side. It's adding into an existing income stream. Or if you think about like the baby boomers and they're coming up to retirement, the retirement world looks a lot different than it did 30 or 40 years ago. Most people, they're not walking away with a pension, and Social Security isn't paying enough to live the same lifestyle that they're accustomed to while they're working. And most Americans don't have enough saved up in the bank to generate the kind of income that they're used to living. So they have one of two choices: either live off of less money, right, or continue to work. And then look at the ranks of like Pro 5, 6, and 7 at that $2,500, $6,000, $12,000 a month, around those marks. That's going to start to replace the majority of people's full-time income. And I get excited about that because I don't think many people realize the potential of doing that with this sort of business. And then at the ranks of 8, 9, and 10, you guys, over $20,000, $40,000, almost $100,000 a month. That starts to become generational wealth, life-changing money that's involved with this. And that isn't for everybody, but I at least want you to know what the potential is out there and start to ask yourself, what if? What if I treated this like a business? Where would I want it to go? And what am I willing to put in time-wise and sacrifice-wise to get there? And this doesn't build itself overnight. And so I want you to think, not only that short term, but also in that category of maybe 3 to 5 years. Ultimately, where would you want to go if you are putting in the time and the sacrifices to make this a business?